On a sunny Saturday, a joyful child pondered the magic of sound. His brown hair danced with the breeze as he envisioned music soaring through the skies. The walls whispered secrets of science. Colors and curiosity mingled, drawing eager explorers into a world of wonders. She appeared like a star, radiating knowledge. Her eyes sparkled with delight as she welcomed the inquisitive boy into her world of sound. Excitement bubbled as explanations bloomed. Vibrations danced, resonating through the air, each wave telling a story. Determined, he gathered the supplies, imagining musical magic in his hands. His mind raced with possibilities. Frustration crept in. Attempts fell flat, each misstep an echo of self-doubt. But he wouldn't give up, not yet. Suddenly, a spark ignited. The pieces shuffled in his mind, aligning like stars in the night sky, urging him onward. Creation blossomed. His heart sang with joy, and he could feel the rhythm pulsing beneath his fingertips. The room erupted in delight. Sounds danced around, each beat a celebration, echoing vibrant joy in every corner. The expert beamed, her heart swelling with pride. Together, they danced in harmony, a symphony of dreams brought to life. Under the waning light, ideas flowed. Each note and scribble became a whisper of wondrous possibilities waiting to unfold. As night enveloped the world, inspiration glowed brighter. He walked home, the universe of sound beckoning him for more adventures ahead.